Checking back in. So as I said, I wanted to try out this aloe vera gel with retwisting my hair. I'm just gonna pretty much use it as my gel to retwist my roots. All right, so what I'm using for this video, a hair tie, a knife, some aloe vera, a hair tie, a knife, aloe vera, and various oils that I'm going to use to add some moisture back in my hair because I just finished washing it using Talia Wajid's shampoo and conditioner, and I'll put like some photos and stuff right here. That video will be linked in the cards as well. But back to this aloe video. Alright, so now that I have my hair all oiled up and stuff like that, yada yada yada, you can hear my thoughts on the oils I use to do this in another video. If you click right here in the card, it'll be linked right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take the avocado and I'm gonna cut this piece off, and then I'm gonna cut it in sections just so I can use it from the leaf. I'm not gonna do that blend method because I hear it leaves flakes because you don't, strain it properly. I'm not too worried about getting all the gel out because I did pick up more than one leaf, so just in case, I can get what I need and it be gone. So gonna start with picking this hair up and get into it.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only.
Alright, y'all, so it got real fast. This stuff smells so bad. Like, so bad. But I figured out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get it in there, and then I'm gonna run over it with my oils. So I'm gonna essentially over moisture my hair, but I would prefer that smell versus just this aloe in my hair alone, because it smells like musk. I kept like checking myself to see if it was me, but it's this aloe stuff that smells like that. So definitely make sure when you're doing this pro tip to find you something, an oil that you like to mask this smell. The black castor oil does really well with that. I like the way that smells because mine has coconut in it, so it smells really good. So I'm going to use a mixture of my black coconut oil and the carrot oil, and I'm gonna mix all three of those oils kind of together, and then kind of like just squirt it in at the end, and then put this up and let it go. But for right now, I just wanted to come back and let you guys know that. And then it did get real in here as far as I had to go pull out my mirror, and y'all haven't seen this mirror in a minute. So bear with me while I get through this, and I'll give you guys all the inside scoop on what I went through using this stuff. So it's not too late to bail, but I don't believe in quitting. So let's go.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only.
Come on.
got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only.
Alright, y'all, so I'm all done with the application of the aloe vera. I didn't use the whole thing, surprisingly. So I have a shit ton of aloe vera left. A little goes a long way with this, so definitely only buy one. Oh gosh, this thing, it really smells like terribly. It smells terribly. I'm gonna apply some more oil to it just to kind of get that smell out, but all in all, I think it'll be really good. I like how lightweight it was for the retwist, but I just think that smell is just a lot to get over. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on using aloe vera in the comment section below. Do you guys enjoy it? Do you prefer it? Have you never used it? Has this video encouraged you to try it for yourself? Hopefully so. Hopefully the smell hasn't really bothered. I mean, I haven't said too much to scare you away with the smell, but I mean, I just don't want you to be shook about how it smells. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, answer any poll cards that have popped out. And yeah, until next time, be easy.